Anchor sent me 3 products in one package. Let's check it out. This is a car charger, I think, speed dual. With this port, I'm able to charge my MacBook Pro on the road, but we don't drive as much now. That's neat. The second one, the charging pad. Oh, it's hard. It is very difficult to get it out. Wow. Micro USB cable, very high gauge, thick, nice. By the way, cable is not included in the PowerDrive speed dual. This is like let's see the voltage reading. I think it's around 30 watts. Yes, 30 watts max. 15 watts at 5 volts. Not 18 watts. Cool. The link will be in the description as usual. I would probably upload a detailed review later. This is a standing wireless charging stand. Again, it's micro USB input, same kind of cable. Very well made. Very simple design, I like it a lot. Yeah, I have the Soundcore Liberty Pro that will support wireless charging. That'll be very interesting to see when it's getting charged through the PowerPad. Alright, stay tuned. I would upload another video about its charging specifications with a power meter